can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. It's ranked 137 on CoinMarketCap. The last 1 month has seen Kusama trading for as high as $37. It has also traded for as low as $24. Altcoins have been dumping to Goblin Town in the last 1 month. Kusama is down 27.9%. How low can we possibly go? Is the bear market bottom in for Kusama? We're going to be taking a look at the Kusama US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame. We'll also look at Kusama's performance against Bitcoin, Kusama's performance against Ethereum, and we'll finally look at Kusama's market cap, which sits around $222 million. We've seen Kusama's market cap drop to as low as $190 million in this bear market. Is that the bear market bottom, or are we going to dump further down to Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research, study, and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business.
7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The last 1 month has seen Kusama dumping by double digits. The last 1 month has seen Kusama losing more than 25% of its value. That's the story across the board in the altcoin market. Altcoins have been dumping to Goblin Town. But the billion-dollar question is, how low can we possibly go? We have been dumping to Goblin Town since 2021. The bull market ended for Kusama on the 13th of May 2021. And ever since then, we have seen Kusama get a low of $21 in this bear market, losing around 96% of its value. We have spent more than 700 days in the bear market. The bottom is around the corner. So how low can we possibly go? Right now, from where Kusama is trading around the $26 region, if we dump back to the yearly lows, we'll see Kusama losing around 16% of its value. That will take us back to where we were trading on the 1st of January 2023. We started January 2023 on a very bright note. We saw Kusama in the first 48 days of the year rally up by more than 124%. The highest we have been able to trade in 2023 was when we got to as high as $49. In the coming days and the coming weeks, if we see Bitcoin dumping further down to Goblin Town, if we see altcoins also dumping to Goblin Town, best case scenario, Kusama will find a bottom at the $22 level. Worst case scenario, we might just see Kusama dump to new lows in this bear market. Hopefully, we might see it find support when we get to as low as $15. But guys, there's no guarantees that we'll see Kusama dumping to as low as $15. We have been dumping for a very long time. The previous bear market saw altcoins find their bottom after 800 days. 800 days dumping to Goblin Town, we see Kusama finding its bottom somewhere in July. Do you think we're going to dump that low? Do you think it will take that long for Kusama to continue dumping to Goblin Town? Because at some point in time, the bear market is going to come to an end. Deep in the bear market, yes, you get good value for money, but altcoins can be very, very volatile in the bear market. Take a look at what Kusama has done since the 6th of November 2021. Steadily been dumping to Goblin Town. We spent all of 2022 dumping to Goblin Town, and that dump came to an end in the final day of 2022. From the beginning of 2022 till the end of 2022, we saw Kusama. We started trading from $279 level, ending the year trading around $22, losing 92% of its value last year. But I don't think we're going to dump that low this year. I believe we're closer to the bottom, and even though bear markets can be long, even though bear markets can be boring, even though bear markets can be frustrating, deep in the bear market is where you get good value for your money. And deep in the bear market is where smart investors are accumulating, getting ready for the next crypto bull run. There's extreme fear in the crypto market. Altcoins are dumping to Goblin Town, which in turn will lead people selling their altcoins back into Bitcoin, back into Ethereum. When people are scared, they run towards safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin and is Ethereum. So even though we are seeing positive signs in the altcoin market on a daily time frame and on a weekly time frame, we need to pay close attention to what Kusama is doing against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, Kusama has been dumping to Goblin Town since when it topped on the 21st of May 2021. We have seen Kusama steadily losing value against Bitcoin. It has gone down for more than 730 days, losing around 93% of its value. Yes, we have been dumping to Goblin Town. More reason why I expect us to see a pump to the upside, maybe 100, maybe 200% pump to the upside. But the last 3 months has been brutal. We have seen Kusama dumping aggressively against Bitcoin. The last 90 days I've seen it lose more than 56% of its value against Bitcoin. But it has not always been the case. We saw it pumping to higher prices in the bull market. We saw it rallying up by more than 13,000% against Bitcoin. Against Ethereum, similar story. We saw it having huge pumps to the upside in the bull market, rallying up by more than 7,000% against Ethereum. But what has happened in the bear market? Slowly but surely, we have dumped to Goblin Town. Slowly but surely, we have seen Kusama lose more than 95% of its value. Dumping to Goblin Town right now. If we see it pumping to higher prices, let's not be surprised. The last 3 months has seen Kusama losing around 51% of its value against Ethereum, just like it has done against Bitcoin. Way crazier things have happened. Maybe more crazy things will happen, but key details to pay attention to Kusama as we find the bear market bottom. The last 1 year has seen us trade for as high as $88. The last 1 year has also seen us trade for as low as $21. With a market cap of $222 million and a fully diluted market cap of $252 million, Kusama is ranked 137 on CoinMarketCap. With over 266,000 people having Kusama on their watch list. Where can you get some Kusama if you want to get some right now deep in the crypto bear market? If you believe it will pump to higher prices, if you believe Kusama will ever go back to new all-time highs and you're accumulating right now deep in the crypto bear market, if you're looking for that 10x, 20x, that 30x pump to the upside, you can buy some Kusama on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Kraken, on Qcoin, on Bitfinex, on Bittrex, on OKX, on Bybit, and anywhere you buy your popular altcoins. But remember guys, don't go all in when you're accumulating the bear markets. Bear markets can be very crazy. Always keep some capital on the side. You never know when life-changing opportunity will come your way deep in the bear market. If you take a look at Kusama's market cap, which sits around $222 million region, we have seen the market cap drop to as low as $190 million in this bear market. There's always that possibility that we'll be heading back to that $100 million level. But for Kusama to get there, we'll have to see more than a 50% dump in the price of Kusama. Now, why will Kusama dump 50%? Only time will tell. All coins are known to be volatile that way. If Kusama is going to drop 50%, heading the market cap back to the $100 million region, what will that mean for the price of Kusama? Now, if Kusama's price is going to drop 50% from where we're currently trading, that will see us dumping to as low as $13. Will you still be buying more if we drop that low? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, invest for the long haul. Don't get too greedy. Don't get too scared. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.